Good evening, ma'am. This is Sanvit Chetran of Class 8B. Today I am going to tell few lines about internet addiction. Outline. Introduction. What is addiction? What is internet addiction? Types of internet addiction. What makes internet use addictive? Introduction. Everyone enjoys the benefits of the internet, and for many, it is also an indispensable tool for work, education, and communication. The time spent on the internet can be hugely productive. For some people, compulsive internet use can interfere with daily life, work, and relationships. When someone feels more comfortable with their online friends than their real ones, or they can't stop themselves from playing games, gambling, or compulsively surfing, then he might be using the internet too much. What is addiction? The term addiction is used in many contexts to describe an obsession, compulsion, or excessive psychologically dependence, such as drug addiction, example, alcoholism, nicotine addiction, gambling money, work addiction, compulsive overeating, anomia, compulsive shopping, computer addiction, video game addiction, pornography addiction, television addiction, etc. What is internet addiction? Internet addiction is defined as any online related compulsive behavior which interferes with normal living and causes severe stress on family, friends, and loved ones, and one's work environment. Internet addiction has been called internet dependency and internet compulsivity. By any name, it is a compulsive behavior that completely dominates the addict's life. Internet addicts makes the internet a priority more importance than family, friends, and work. The internet becomes the organizing principle of addicts' lives. They are willing to sacrifice what they cherish most in order to preserve and continue their unhealthy behavior. Types of internet addiction. Cyber relationship addiction, cyber affairs, or using online relationships to replace real life friends and family, chat rooms, online dating, social networking, cyber sexual addiction, addicted to cyber porn, pornography, net compulsion, obsessive online gambling or shopping, information overload, compulsive database searches, computer addiction, obsessive game playing video, and computer games. What makes internet use addictive? Many people turn to the internet in order to manage unpleasant feelings such as stress, loneliness, depression, and anxiety. When you have a bad day and are looking for a way to escape your problems or to quickly relieve stress or self soothe, the internet can be easily accessible outlet. As much comfort as the internet and can provide, though it's important to remember that there are healthier and more effective ways to keep difficult feelings in check. This may include exercising, meditating, and practicing simple relaxation techniques. Thank you, ma'am. Have a wonderful day.